Today is April the 10th. It's a Friday evening. The time is 5:52 and I'm here in North Minneapolis. I just dropped off little man and I'm gonna drive to St. Paul, but instead of using the freeway, I'm gonna use a side street. That will take longer. Just join my journey and see how long it takes to drive from North Minneapolis to St. Paul using side streets instead of using the freeway. Hopefully you're doing well. We had a good week. I know COVID-19, we have order to stay in place, social distancing and all that, but we've been going to skate park because he likes to do skateboarding, and it's been going very well. Skate parks are now closed, and yesterday we went for a 2.5 mile walk, which was good. So hopefully you too, you're finding something to do. Don't get an excuse to just sit at home and eat and do nothing. So find something to do. As long as the streets are open, you can walk on the street, you can exercise at home. I'm not telling you what to do though. I'm just saying don't get too depressed about this social distancing. So hopefully you're having a good day and you had a good week, and hopefully you're gonna continue to stay safe for you and for yourself, for the people you love. All right, click the button below, subscribe. I'm also listening to the 80s music here.
This is Max Headroom, and what you're about to witness is one of the most sinister sounding intros to a trailer to one of the greatest epics ever produced.
Ye intruders beware.
Good evening. I'm Dr. Emmett Brown. I'm standing on the parking lot at Twin Pines Mall.
Mr. Spicoli.
That's the name they gave me.
It feels so lovely to be here tonight. What a beautiful. I'll give yourself a round of applause. You're so lovely. Everyone says lovely.
Anyone?
I'd like to give a big round of applause to my band.
Anyone? Anyone?
Sexual Chocolate.
Flight 209er, you are cleared for takeoff.
Roger. Huh?
The Terminator's infiltration unit. Part man, part machine.
LA departure frequency 123.9er.
Roger.
Huh? Underneath it's a hyper-alloy combat chassis. Microprocessor controlled. Fully armored. Very tough.
Request vector. Over. What?
But outside it's living human tissue. Flesh, skin, hair, blood, grown for the cyborg.
Flight 209er, clear for vector 324.
You have clearance, Clarence. Roger.
this baby hits 88 miles per hour.
You telling me you built a time machine?
If you're gonna build a time machine, why not do it with some style?
This is downtown Minneapolis and pretty much empty. One guy riding a bike here, very few cars on a Friday evening. So everything is shut down, basically. Nothing much to see here. Minneapolis is shut down.
You know, your basic kind of orgy type of thing. Chips, dips, chains, whips. Stripping the sides, as you can see, the tiles they said were leaking, so they are stripping it and they're gonna redo them. Just wanted to show you that. It doesn't look very pleasing to the eye right now. What I just showed you is where Minnesota Vikings play football. Minnesota Vikings, they play at US Bank. All the sides are being stripped because the tiles were leaking. I heard it's gonna cost like $2 million or more. Those apartments over there, you see they had a fire and several people died last month. No sprinklers in there. Most of the buildings here you're gonna see it's U of M, University of Minnesota. Everything here. It's like a small city or town. But right now it doesn't look active because all the students are at home. It's been closed. And we're gonna cross Mississippi River and they have a building on top of the river, on top of the bridge. Now we're on the bridge, and as you can see up, they have classes up there too. You can see the river. The because they have the concrete walls on the side of the street here. That's called Art Building. Right there says University of Minnesota. It's a little cumbersome to drive here. If you don't know what you're doing, you get lost. Because you go like in a loop. The sun is right in front of my face here. Now straight ahead to my right is the river. See a couple of people walking here. Still U of M, everything you see. Both sides of the street and several blocks in. This is still Minneapolis, but soon I'm gonna be in St. Paul. This is called Dinky Town. Still U of M. Most of the buildings, but there are also other businesses. Anytime Fitness is closed. Okay, I'm gonna cut in a few minutes here. More people walking over there. Now I'm on University Avenue. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you can see what I'm seeing through the camera. Alright, enjoy your weekend. Peace out.